Good evening, everybody. Another episode early today, and wow, that is whiting, and yeah, they ain't heading towards us. Let me tell you why. Well, I was right here. I was right there. That circle dot. The circle dot. That's what I was. This is what I let everyone know. Damn. It's like this wide. This wide. And damn, big ass red dots, man. Looks like it's pretty much dying out. Not too much. But it's a thunderstorm, but thank God. Well, and thank God it's not severe. But yes, severe. Oh, flood watch up there, Michigan. And thank God we got severe storms right there. A couple tornado warnings have been issued earlier today. And the storm headed towards us is not severe. It might change. Stay tuned for more updates.
Has people heading back to school. What many people in Elkhart County are doing. One industry should improve the job outlook in Elkhart, and police named the suspect internet theft. What's great about the iPhone is that if you want to check information on the value, there's an app for that. If you want to check how many calories are in your lunch, there's an app for that. And if you want to check where exactly you parked the car, there's even an app for that. Yep, there's an app for just about anything. Only on the internet. Because we can't reinvent the night. We help reinvent the way our procedures. No big case interview is what who did it that made headlines tonight.
Every day, someone to get to work. Next Thursday, one will visit the start of a holy war.
What is it? Nothing good.
You're watching WSBT, your local news leader, broadcasting in high definition, live. This is WSBT News 11 at 11.
It's going to make a difference. You have to believe in what you want to do.
It's a phrase being repeated by a record number of Americans wrapping their search for a new job to head back into the classroom. Pretty good, Deborah Daniel.
And I'm Cindy Ward. The numbers are up at schools across the country.
As job money continues its record-breaking slide, budget that his proposal will push the deficit over $1.7 trillion.
Budget spending now is necessary to revive the economy. The Joel Brown report, Republicans say the plan spells trouble for the future.
He promised change, and now he's put it in writing. In 134 pages, President Obama laid out his multi-trillion-dollar budget that details a clear focus: healthcare, education, and renewable energy.
The budget is more than simply numbers on a page. It is a measure of how well we are living up to our obligations to ourselves and one another.
The president's largest fiscal obligation will be reforming national health care. At a cost of $634 billion, half will be paid by letting the Bush tax cuts expire. That would mean tax hikes for those who make over $250,000. But critics complain the president's pushing a Robin Hood approach with his budget, borrowing heavily from the wealthy to provide for the poor.
The president's beginning to make President Bush look like a hydra when it comes to spending.
The White House says the goal is to reverse the trend of the Bush years, which allowed the rich to get richer and the poor to get poorer.
Healthcare, education, and energy, and do so in a way that's most fair to the American people.
Yet fairness comes at a price. The budget includes a deficit this year, a staggering $1.75 trillion. But the White House says it will get the deficit down to $533 billion by 2013, in part by winding down the war in Iraq, cutting direct payments to farmers who make more than $500,000 a year, and ending tax breaks for corporations that ship jobs overseas. With trillions of dollars on the line, Congress begins the process of scrutinizing not only a budget, but an agenda for the future. In Washington, Joel Brown, WSBT News.
And money from the president's stimulus plan is headed to Elkhart.
Today, the mayor announced the city will receive almost $200,000 in community development grants. The Elkhart Housing Authority will see more than $1.3 million to modernize and develop public housing, and $3 million will be used to find and remove hazardous lead from homes. Local mayors are comparing notes with real estate agents about the slowdown in the housing industry. The mayors of Dothan and Elkhart talked about everything from the president's recent visit to the growing problem of foreclosed and vacant homes.
Notre Dame is investigating two possible sexual assaults on campus. The first happened February 8th and was reported to a campus administrator. The second happened Monday. In both cases, the victims apparently knew their attackers and were in their dorms. 3 teenagers faced felony charges tonight accused of vandalizing school buses. Police arrested 18-year-old Jack Helston and 2 17-year-olds.